Hey y'all, so I decided to make some tacos for dinner. Y'all already know I got my ground turkey here. I got it from Aldi. It's usually like under $3, so I always stock up on them. I'm making some homemade taco seasoning. I got a little onion powder right here. I also have some chili powder. And then I'm going to use just a bit of oregano as well. That is essential to this recipe. And don't forget your garlic salt. Listen, if you're cooking without garlic salt, like what are you doing? And then lastly, don't forget just a few dashes of paprika. Y'all already know I'm not measuring. I'm letting the ancestors tell me when to stop, okay? And y'all, when I tell you this smells just like the McCormick chili seasoning pack, listen, you have all the ingredients you already need to make homemade taco seasoning, okay? I gave it a little mix before going back over it and putting some more seasoning in there as well. You already know my motto. If you can't see it, baby, it ain't seasoned. So I already had my pan on medium high heat, y'all, because your girl was hungry and I was trying to get this thing sizzling right away, okay? As soon as I set it down, all you heard was shh, okay? I just kind of went ahead and let it brown for a bit. This is turkey hamburger, and I didn't really have to drain too much of the grease off. That's a perk to cooking with turkey hamburger, y'all. It's not as fatty as the beef. So once I did drain it in a colander off camera, I brought it back to my pan and I put in just a little water before seasoning it up a bit again. So as you can see, my meat browned up pretty nicely. I was thinking, I don't know why you're supposed to put the water in there. I think it's to kind of, get the seasonings to marinate it and give you just a little taco broth style sauce. So that's why I put that water in there. I gave it a little stir to make sure everything was combined well. I let it cook down just a bit before putting it on my back burner because I turned off the heat. And then, y'all, my favorite part, oh my gosh, once it's done and dressing up your tacos, y'all drop down in the comments and let me know what's your favorite part about making tacos. All right, y'all, we got our tortillas here. I got these from Aldi. You already know I'm Aldi's #1 customer. I do like to heat them up a bit, so I did heat them up off camera for about 20-ish seconds, maybe 30. I put a few scoops of meat on there, y'all. I got my toppings. I got my lettuce, my cheese, my jalapenos, a little bit of sour cream, and I also put some ranch on it too. I can't remember if I did that on camera or not. But y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, what do you like to put on your tacos? And are you trying mine? Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.